Hello everyone, hello. It's your one and only Lady J. If you have not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Go and subscribe and hit the notification bell so that if I put more videos, you will be the first to be notified. If you have subscribed here before, thank you, God bless you. My people, I want to talk about Regina today again. Regina. With it, drop. There is no time where be say she for take follow small boy. He say na elderly person. Now he might fair day saying go marry because supposing he follow small boy like her age, saying maybe for not they respect the small boy. Oh, he say so now making suffer marry elderly man where be say she go the respect. I don't say all those small girls be say they quit start to the see money. They don't they get respect for anybody again. He say so now he making. He can say na elderly man na he must to marry. Not be because say the man get money and say no, Regina, that one you lie, my dear. Because suppose that money not there, Regina, you for not go there. Oh, I beg, I agree, my dear. That one where you can't talk now say, not be say you marry and because of money, my dear, because of money they there. Let Wimbaro push her go tell you now say I love you. I want me you be my wife. You go marry him. Now elderly man be they go tell you say you want me you be wife. You go there. This one, Nana, money they there. That make you say I die here, my dear. Even the bella people be not expect am, but you can't prove everybody wrong. Say you really come stay. It's just good though. As you quit start to the bone, so it dey good for you, my dear. So my dear Regina, all those lie where you come the lie and say na because money. Nah, money dey there. Nobody will not go shoot for that kind of thing. When money dey, my dear. But always say, not be later. Where the jogodo not come the good way, you come to say you want live am more, and that one will not 1 year. Oh, may you did there. Oh, as you just say you love the man, you come to stay. Even when you see say he already get grown up children, you say no, you must stay there. Regina, mom will not hear anything. No, I see the way you dey dance for your pregnancy. I see the way you dey happy. I see when your friends they congratulate you. Very nice. So those one where you come they talk now, say that because of money, you just go there because you love the man. My dear, my dear, money there. Money not there. You don't go there. As I come be and say, elderly man like that, money not there. I come say I want to go shoot case for there. And because the money where they there now. Regina, we be at Regina, though. We love you. We don't say now because the money joined, my dear. So Regina, we dey happy for you. Say you born. That one a very good thing. Say you born pikin. Say but say all those one wey you come dey talk now though. We not do all those ones. You hear? I really dey happy for you. And Regina come talk am again say he go like to stay UK abi America. Like to come train the pikin for Nigeria because of the safety we don't dey Africa there. Say no safety, no everybody go dey live in fear, all those things. Because of that one, he say na America now you go take care of the pikin. I know because if you reason now, Africa, because of that war with the meme, he say so in the fear. Because no safety really. Because if person really did that Nigerians, you go dey live in fear. Really, I really understand her. I understand why she talk and say she no want country in the pikin. He want stay that UK way for born the pikin. So for that one, a good thing because Europe now, person not dey fear like Nigeria wey be say safety no. I don't understand. Person go dey live in fear because of person go even by himself buy ticket to go Africa and make it go enjoy himself. You go even dey fear to come out. You go dey fear to go outside, all because of this make dem not go cash am, make dem not go rob am, my brother not go attack am. All those things, e not really dey good. So that make everybody dey fear. So thank you everybody, take care. I say make I come give una this ogbonge update again though for wetin Regina e talk wetin e own mouth. Thank you everybody, take care, bye everybody, bye. And anything wey you think about wetin Regina talk, you can still leave your comments for the comment section. Bye.
With it.